Welcome to powaMoto. This is your go-to channel for all things motorcycles. Today we're diving into the world of ultimate performance upgrades. Our fellow rider and marine veteran Jim has taken his Suzuki Hayabusa Gen2 model to the next level with some jaw-dropping carbon fiber wheels. Oh my god! Only on
powaMoto.
Motorcycle riding. Stunts like you've never seen before. Beautiful models.
You fake YouTubers, it's on.
And I came to raw.
powaMoto.
Carbon.
Carbon. He's got carbon. Look at this thing. Carbon fiber. All the way up. Look at the weave. Look at the detail. Chad is killing it. Look at the rear end. No place, Chad. Look at the rear end. Check it out.
You don't want to miss this, so make sure to subscribe to powaMoto right now for more thrilling motorcycle content. When it comes to pushing the limits, nothing beats the thrill of reducing rolling mass on your bike. That's right, carbon fiber is all the rage. And carbon fiber wheels are a game changer, known for their incredible strength to weight ratio. And guess what? Jim's Gen2 Suzuki Hayabusa is now hacking these babies, making them a force to be reckoned with on the streets. Check it out. Oh my god! The power of these carbon fiber wheels is undeniable. The reduction in rolling mass has supercharged Jim's Hayabusa, giving it lightning-fast acceleration and razor-sharp handling. Trust me, folks, this is almost a level of riding experience you'll really want to explore. Now, before we get carried away, calm down. Let's clarify the difference between weight loss from carbon fiber wheels and fairings. What's the difference, Sky Champion, you might ask? While carbon fiber fairings add sleekness and aerodynamics, the real deal lies in the wheels. They're the key to unlocking your motorcycle's true potential. It's more power to the moto on powaMoto. Just look at the graph. Upgrading to carbon fiber wheels delivers a significant reduction in rolling mass, making it a top priority for serious riders seeking the ultimate performance boost. Listen guys, in mechanics, when an object is rolling, example, a wheel on the ground, just like in Jimbo's Hayabusa bike, it experiences both translational motion, which is the movement of its center of mass, and rotational motion, the spinning motion about its axis. The total mass that contributes to both of these motions is often referred to as rolling mass. But enough talk. Let's soak in the beauty of these Hayabusas tearing up the Miami motorcycle scene. It's not just a ride, it's a lifestyle. We're here to celebrate the passion for adrenaline and speed on powaMoto. Subscribe today. Alright riders, it's time to wrap up this epic journey. The Suzuki Hayabusa Gen2 model with carbon fiber wheels is truly a beast unleashed. If you're ready to take your riding to new heights, do not wait any longer. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more thrilling motorcycle adventures here on powaMoto. Ride safe and keep chasing those horizons. This is Sky Champion signing out.
Nice. You know I like ninjas. How'd you know I like Boosas too? This would be you know I like ninjas, and you know I like Boosas more. This would be the setup. Look at the paint scheme right here. Look at those great wheels. Look at the great paint job. Respect. It's on powaMoto. Competition. Ah, nice. Boosa's got the biggest following in the world. Type in Boosa parts and you'll be like, what? And then you'll turn your bike in and get one.
How to
Thanks for watching. Hit that playlist. Support this channel, fam. And I see you on the next one. If you like this video, check out one of these 2 other similar videos. And thanks for subscribing. We out!